Positive thinking habits improve your outlook and boost your resilience. They'll also allow you to cope better with stressful situations. If you are constantly negative, then it may be time to retrain your brain. Here are 5 positive thinking habits that you can develop. Watch this video to learn all about them, but about 90% of people watching this video haven't yet hit the subscribe button. Before we continue with this video, I'd appreciate if you would tap that subscribe and bell button so I can continue to give you more valuable content that'll put you on the fast track to success. Now, let's talk about positive thinking habits. Developing positive thinking habits is a key component of living an authentic life, but it's not an overnight thing. You see, it takes time to develop positive thinking habits, but it can be done. There are many benefits to having positive thinking habits. Not only will it make you feel better, but also improve your health. Those are pretty much valid reasons why you would want to adopt positive thinking habits, right? The truth is, there are more reasons why you should adopt positive thinking habits, and I'm going to tell you more about them right now. So make sure you watch this video till the end to learn about the 5 big positive thinking habits that you should develop. You can adopt these 5 positive thinking habits for yourself. Let's start with the first positive thinking habit to adopt, which is reframing your thoughts. Did you know that the words you choose to say affect your actions? Well, they do. That's why it's crucial to choose positive words. The newest research on the brain shows how words can change the way we think. Using the right verbal affirmation can lift your mood and, most importantly, help you develop positive thinking habits. If you reframe your language into something more inspiring, then you can become more productive. Avoid saying phrases such as I can't or I won't. Instead, say I will or I can. These words will help you develop thinking habits that can boost your confidence to do more. Now, the second positive thinking habit to adopt is holding yourself up. How you carry yourself says a lot about your mindset. You need to be mindful of your posture, the amount of space you take up, as well as your facial expression and gestures. All these say a lot about you and your thinking habits. Smile and make sure you only use positive words when you speak to yourself and those around you. Now, let's move on to the third positive thinking habit to adopt, which is avoiding generalizations. Instead of making generalizations about other people, try to approach things differently. Whenever you disagree with someone in the workplace or at home, never assume that they do not know things. Instead, tell yourself that they might be seeing things from a different perspective, and that's why they have a different opinion. This way, you'll develop more compassion for the other person. The fourth positive thinking habit to adopt is never apologizing for speaking your mind. Your opinions are an expression of who you are. Whenever you express your opinion, don't be apologetic. Instead, be firm and stand up for what you believe in. This will give you the courage to speak your mind and share your thoughts. Now, we're last to the 5th positive thinking habit. But before I tell you about it, make sure to subscribe to this channel to be notified of more motivational videos such as this one. Okay, so let's talk about the 5th and last positive thinking habit to adopt, which is turning problems into opportunities for learning. When you change the way you see things, you'll be able to turn challenges into opportunities for learning. Challenges will pave the way for new things to come into your life. Here's the thing. Sometimes things don't always turn out right, but that does not mean you have to give up. Instead of giving up, learn from the situation. Developing the habit of learning from any kind of situation is a positive thinking habit that's worth developing. So, what's your takeaway here? Positive thinking is something that you can develop. It's something that you can do on a daily basis. And practice makes perfect. With the right attitude, you'll be able to instill positive thinking habits. One last thing before you go. If you liked this video or found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and that bell icon to get notified of our new upcoming videos. Then leave a comment below to share your thoughts, and I'll do my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Also, make sure to watch this next video that's coming up on your screen. Thanks for visiting SuccessTrack TV.